Yeah, hello everyone. Now we learn about school equipments in Bahasa Indonesia. So I show you the thing or the stuff and then I name it. Yeah. Okay. We start from tas. Tas. Tas in English bag. Tas. Okay. And then here buku. Buku in English book. Here pulpen. Pulpen atau pena. Pena, pulpen or pena. In English pen. And then here spidol. Spidol. Spidol in English board marker. And then here kotak pensil. Kotak pensil. Pencil box. In English pencil box. Kotak pensil. And then here pencil. Pencil in English pencil. So it's similar between Bahasa Indonesia and English. Pencil. In English pencil. Pencil. Yeah. Okay, this is penghapus. Penghapus. Penghapus in English eraser. Eraser. And then here penggaris. Penggaris. Penggaris in English ruler. 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 Ya, this is penggaris in Bahasa Indonesia. Penggaris in English ruler. And then here calculator. Calculator. We borrow Indonesian language borrows from English word calculator. Calculator in Bahasa Indonesia kalkulator. Okay. Lem. Lem. Ya. Lem in English. Okay, lem. Lem in English is glue, ya. Glue, ya. Lem in Bahasa Indonesia in English glue. This is papan tulis. Papan tulis whiteboard. Whiteboard. Yeah, this is meja. Meja. Meja in English table. Table. In Bahasa Indonesia meja. Meja. In Bahasa Indonesia meja, in English table. Okay, this is botol minuman. Botol minuman atau botol minum, ya. Water bottle. Mineral water bottle, ya. Botol minuman. This is dompet. Dompet, ya. Dompet in English wallet. Wallet, ya. Dompet, ya. So here it is. Parfum. Parfum. We borrow from English word perfume. Perfume, ya. This is parfum. Parfum, ya. Perfume. Tissue. Tissue. We borrow from English word tissue. 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 Yeah. Tissue. So we start from the beginning. Yeah, sorry. This is one more thing. Sapu tangan. Sapu tangan. Handkerchief. Ya, sapu tangan. Handkerchief. This is jam tangan. Jam tangan. Watch. This is cincin. Cincin ring. Cincin ring. So we start from the beginning. Tas. Tas. Bag. Buku. Buku. Book. Kotak pensil. Kotak pensil. Pencil box. Pen. Pen. pulpen. Pensil, pencil. Ya, spidol, board, marker. Lem, glue. Kalkulator, calculator. Penggaris, ruler. Penghapus, eraser. Botol minuman, water bottle. Dompet, wallet. Handkerchief, sapu tangan in English, handkerchief. Tissue. Meja, table. Parfum, perfume. Jam tangan, watch. So that's all. I do hope you can practice at home. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my video. Thank you.